Hello, I'm Caleb King, and I am currently the part-time grad assistant here for the College of Ed at Fort Hays, and I sub the other part of the week, and so I keep pretty busy doing that, but I do not have my own classroom. I graduated last May with my bachelor's and decided to get my master's right away, and this opportunity opened up, and so I thought it was a perfect opportunity to grow before I entered the workforce. I would love to be a principal down the road. It kind of ties in everything that I'm interested in PR, communications, planning, leadership, and of course education. I wouldn't mind being a curriculum developer or curriculum director for a school before that or after that stint of time, but I am hoping to get out of this class just more knowledge of like what makes a good curriculum and what doesn't make a good curriculum, and like what you're looking for when trying to decide what curriculum is best for your school, your class, whatever you're trying to pick your curriculum for. I would say that I'm still living Fort Hays, and I love buffalo wings and I love tacos. Are my two favorite foods. I enjoy running and keeping busy. I like to stay on my toes rather than not, and so I think that's the educator in me. You know, educators just can't say no, they never stop. But that's just a few things about me and what I hope to get out of this class. I'm excited to get to know everyone and see and learn from you guys, since you guys have so much more experience than me.